सितारे हैं। अगलो होश नमी दानम, हम हैं दिल है और जानम, बस दीवानगी 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 है, ना कोई रहसन ना रहबर, ये इल्जाम लगे किस पर, बस दीवानगी 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 है। All the hot girls put your hands up and say Om Shanti
All the cool boys, come on, make some noise and say Om Shanti noise and say Om Shanti
शाम गजब की हंगामा खेज है,
इसका नशा ही गहरा है तेज है,
शाम गजब की हंगामा खेज है,
इसका नशा ही गहरा है तेज है,
जुल्फ खुली है रेशम रेशम,
सांस खुली है मरथम मरथम,
ये तो इशारे हैं। अकलो होश नमी दानम, हम हैं दिल है और जानम, बस दीवानगी 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 है, ना कोई रहसन ना रहबर, ये इल्जाम लगे किस पर, बस दीवानगी 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 है। All the hot girls put your hands up and say Om Shanti
all the cool boys, come on, make some noise and say Om Shanti
इसको जुनून है, कहने को वैसे तो सारा सुकून है, फिर भी ये दिल है कि इसको जुनून है।
पलको ख्वाब सजा दे, इसको उसको सबको बता दे,
राज जो सारे हैं। अगलो होश नमी दानम, हम हैं दिल है और जानम, बस दीवानगी 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 है।
गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
Today, we are here not just to celebrate a profession, but to honor the people who shape our future with every lesson, every word of encouragement, and even every scolding that pushes us to do better. Someone once said, a good teacher can inspire hope, ignite the imagination, and instill a love for learning.
That's exactly why we are here today, to not just celebrate teachers but the guiding lights of our lives, the true architects of our future.
इल्म का दिया जलाते हैं, अंधेरे से निकलना सिखाते हैं, गुरु नहीं तो कुछ भी नहीं, वही तो जिंदगी का रास्ता दिखाते हैं. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you, dear teachers. This day belongs to you.
So let's begin our Teachers' Day celebration filled with gratitude, laughter and memories.
To begin this beautiful day, we shall light the lamp, a symbol of wisdom and knowledge.
So, I request our respected Father Principal, Father Roshan Khalko SJ, Vice Principals of Junior School, Middle School, High School, Plus 2 and Teachers Representative to kindly come forward and light the lamp.
May this light continue to guide us through the journey of learning and life.
To fill the atmosphere with positivity and divinity, let us start by seeking blessings from the Almighty.
I now invite the school prayer group to come on the stage and fill this hall with a melodious prayer.
Showers of blessings we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead. There shall be showers of blessings. Send them upon us, O Lord. Grant to us now a refreshing. Come and now honor thy word. Showers of blessings we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead.
That was truly soothing and divine. A perfect way to start the day.
But before we move forward, let's take a moment to appreciate our junior school teachers because they are the foundation builders of our life. Now, I would like to call Chehak Jain for a sweet poetry dedicated to our junior school teachers. Let's cheer her on with a big round of applause.
As I start this poem, I request all the teachers of junior school to please come and take the token of love from the students. Sister Shalini, the Vice Principal of Junior Section, kind and helpful in every direction, guiding students with care and affection. Fiza teacher, friendly and cheerful, guiding with care, patient and kind, always aware. Rana Iqbal teacher, join 2021, kind, helpful and true, guide students with cheerful heart, inspiring learning in all they do. Rashmi teacher, since 2009, biology expert and calm, helpful and friendly, guiding with care, inspiring young minds with knowledge and charm. Shabnam teacher, join 2015, excellent debater, professional and kind, guiding with skills, mentoring students to grow greater. Sazia teacher, join 2024, astronomy and reading, helpful and approachable, kind in all ways, guide students' mind with learning and leading. Soshan teacher, join 2010, artist and delightful, drawing and painting, friendly and bright, mentoring students with care, insightful. Soumya teacher, join 2023, happy and cheerful, friendly and helpful, guiding with joy, inspiring students in all that is dutiful. Swati teacher, join 2012, teachers with heart, drawing and dancing, friendly and kind, inspiring students with her creative art. Sister Mamta, join 2024, simple, professional and wise, gracious and kind, guiding every mind, lighting path in learning with gentle eyes. Thank you. Rashmi teacher, drawing and dancing, friendly and kind, inspiring students with her creative mind. Anjana teacher, gracious and kind, guiding every mind, lighting path in learning with gentle eyes, friendly and helpful, guiding with joy. Akansha teacher, professional and kind, guiding with skills, mentoring students to grow greater. Thank you.
Thank you, Chehak. That was heart-melting. It takes a special kind of patience and a very big heart to guide such young minds. And our junior school teachers do it with so much love every single day. They remind us that every great journey begins with small steps. And those very first steps are always held by a teacher.
अब माहौल थोड़ा वेवी बनाया जाए. Time for our first fun game.
Exactly. It's time to switch gears. Teachers, you've seen us attempt tricky questions in exams, but today, let's see you in action.
Time to relax, laugh a little, and enjoy this fun game with us.
Those years, and here's the first tune for you all. The question is, guess the song.
This is movie Dhadkan and Aksar is Duniya Mein.
Sir, we are making a small twist in this song. You have to sing a small part. Just 2 lines.
Actually, I don't know the song, this one. So, I can pass this to my team.
अक्सर इस दुनिया में अनजाने मिलते हैं, अनजानी राहों में मिलके खो जाते हैं, लेकिन हमेशा वो याद आते हैं, लेकिन हमेशा वो याद आते हैं.
A big round of applause.
That was great. So let's move to the next question. The next music, please.
मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी
Please wait for the question.
आए रुत मस्तानी कब आएगी तू
Okay, so the question is, in this song, which actor is shown riding the jeep?
Rajesh Khanna.
राजेश खन्ना.
Rajesh Khanna.
It's Rajesh Khanna.
Ma'am, please name the vehicle. Which vehicle?
That's right, ma'am. The next question is on the screen. The next music, please.
रहा था मैं तो भेलपुरी खा रहा था
Name the movie.
मैं तो
Coolie number 1.
Oh, wow, these are too easy questions for them.
It's your fault, Zoya. You prepared.
Whatever. Let's see whether they continue this legacy or not. We have 2 more questions left.
Next, please.
Moving to the next question.
ਗੁੜੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਿਰ ਹੱਸਦੀ ਖੇਡਦੀ ਹੱਸਦੀ ਖੇਡਦੀ ਉਹ ਗੁੱਤ ਦੀ ਪਰਾਂਦੀ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਵਾਂਗੂ ਮੇਲਦੀ ਵਾਂਗੂ ਮੇਲਦੀ ਗੁੜੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਿਰ ਹੱਸਦੀ ਖੇਡਦੀ ਕਾਲਜ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਵੇ ਨੀ ਤੂੰ ਨਾਗ ਵਾਂਗੂ ਮੇਲਦੀ ਆਸ਼ਿਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦਰਸ਼ ਦਿਖਾਇਆ ਕਰੋ ਜੀ ਕਦੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਗਾਲੀ ਭੁੱਲ ਕੇ ਵੀ ਆਇਆ ਕਰੋ ਜੀ ਕਦੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਗਾਲੀ ਭੁੱਲ ਕੇ ਵੀ ਆਇਆ ਕਰੋ ਜੀ ਕਦੀ
The question, please.
Kangna Ranaut and R. Madhavan.
Yes.
And now comes the final round. According to us, this will be the most challenging one for the teachers. Question, please.
पलकों में तेरे खुद न जावे अंबर आवे गुला गुला सा लागे बस एक तेरे ही नाल वे कैसी लगदी कमाल तेरी अखियां गुलाब के ना जावे साडा प्यार तेनू छड़ के हो जावे तेरा ही दीदार ते कोई ना सवाल भी पावे साडा प्यार तू छड़
Question,
के
please. Please give it to CSP, sir, please.
I'm not sure about it, but is it Badshah?
Mitras, please name the singers of the duo, the name of the singers. No, the Mitras is the name of the musical band, and there are 2 people in the band. So we need the name of the singers as well.
Anyone? Singer's name.
Ha, each 1 chocolate for teacher, Prasoon teacher.
As they didn't say the name, we pass the question to the audience.
Any guesses from the audience?
Is it Kushagra?
No.
No. मोटा नहीं है? Show the answers if nobody knows the answer then. Answer please. It's Anmol, Ashish and Prateek Singh. So with this, we end on a musical high note. Thank you so much teachers for playing with us. And once again,
A very happy Teachers' Day.
Thank you.
हम देते ना तो तुम मत दिया करो दोनों मत दो। माइक नहीं चल रहा है सर इट्स वर्किंग नहीं चल रहा है ये
Wow, that was awesome. In fact, I'd say it was supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Thank you, Swastika and Zoya, who made this game so lively and entertaining.
Before we proceed further, let's pause for a moment and think. If life is a journey and our teachers are the maps, the milestones, and sometimes even the shortcuts that guide us, they just don't teach us subjects, they teach us how to live, how to dream, and how to rise when we fall.
Absolutely, Yuvraj. A teacher is someone who sees the potential in us when we don't even see it in ourselves. They shape not just our careers, but our character. And today, through this skit, we are bringing alive the most beautiful bond in the world. A bond between a teacher and a student.
So sit back, relax, and we have a special skit in front of you all, Echoes of Gratitude, a reflection of values, respect, and love in a teacher-student relationship. So let's welcome the performers with a big round of applause.
कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा है उधर भी ऑन कर दिया ना सीन 1
Teaching.
Good morning, sir.
Teaching has never been.
साइलेंस। जो पढ़ाऊंगा वही लिखना है, सवाल करने की हिम्मत भी मत करना।
भाई मैंने तो होमवर्क भी नहीं किया है और सर का गुस्सा तो लग रहा है, सर का गुस्सा देख के तो लग रहा है सर तो शक्तिमान वाले विलन है।
सही बोल रहा है भाई, इनको देख के तो लग रहा है कि हमें भी इनसे बचने के लिए गंगाधर से शक्तिमान बन के उड़ना ही पड़ेगा।
सर का तो इतना गुस्सा है, सर को लगता है दौड़ा दौड़ा के मारेंगे।
सही बोल रहा है भाई, अब तो हम लोग गए।
होमवर्क किसने नहीं किया है?
सर मैंने किया है।
अरे वाह, क्या बात है। होमवर्क जिसने भी नहीं किया है सामने आ जाओ। एक ही थेरेपी है, द रूलर थेरेपी। चल उधर चल। ठीक है।
सर माफ कर दीजिए सर माफ कर।
आता है कि नहीं? ए रे
Now, we move on to the 1990s. Teachers were still strict.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर. गुड मॉर्निंग, बैठ जाओ. कल मैंने होमवर्क दिया था, किसने किसने किया है? किसने किसने नहीं किया है? सर. क्यों नहीं किया है? खड़े हो जाओ. सॉरी सर. देखो बेटा, पढ़ाई के पनिशमेंट के बिना पढ़ाई है अधूरी, लेकिन होमवर्क करना भी है ज़रूरी. होमवर्क नहीं किया तो लिखो 100 बार, मैं होमवर्क करना नहीं भूलूंगा.
लगता है सर अमिताभ बच्चन के फैन है. हमेशा एक ही डायलॉग, कौन बनेगा होमवर्क पति बोलते हैं.
क्या बोला?
कुछ नहीं, सॉरी सर.
मैंने बोला बैठने, खड़े जाओ. अब तुम बताओ, तुमने क्यों नहीं किया है?
सर घर में कंप्यूटर नहीं था सर. कैसे करता सर, मैंने होमवर्क नहीं कर पाया.
एक्सक्यूजेस. अरे हमारे ज़माने में तो इंटरनेट भी नहीं था. होमवर्क करने के लिए पड़ोसी के नोट्स चुराने पड़ते थे, और अगर होमवर्क नहीं किया तो टीचर की छड़ी तुम्हारे कंप्यूटर से ज़्यादा स्पीड चलती थी. क्या तुम्हें डेमो चाहिए?
सॉरी सर.
डिसिप्लिन के साथ प्यार भी है ज़रूरी, जिसके बिना पढ़ाई है अधूरी.
And finally, we arrive in the 2020s. Teachers today are tech savvy,
Good morning,
friendly,
sir.
Good morning, sit down. So, your boring lectures are cancelled for today. You're going to have some YouTube explanation and some meme quiz. Say.
सर आप बहुत अच्छे हो. आपको देखते ही दिल एक आवाज करता है, टेक्नो गुरु की जय.
देखो, रूलर हो या फिर मीम, एक चीज जो काम करती है वो है मीम. क्योंकि कॉन्सेप्ट समझना है तो एक मीम काफी है, देन दैट ऑफ 100 लाइंस.
सही बात है सर, आजकल तो टीचर्स खुद अच्छे अच्छे मीम्स बनाने लगे. और वैसे भी किसी महान पुरुष ने कहा है कि किताबी ज्ञान सब मोह माया है.
देखो, फनी मीम्स हो या स्ट्रिक्ट रूल्स, एक चीज़ कॉमन है, वो है टीचर का एम. हमेशा से कॉमन रहा है, तुम लोगों का फ्यूचर सिक्योर करना और उसको ब्राइट बनाना.
थैंक यू सर.
From rulers to registers to memes, teaching styles keep changing with time. But one thing never changes: the love, care, and efforts teachers put into shaping.
Skit 2. From discipline to dispute. Scene 1. Pastime. The parents walk in to meet the teacher.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, Mr. and Mrs. Chanchalani. Please have a seat.
Thank you, ma'am.
So your son is not attentive in the class. He has not done his homework from past 3 weeks.
हे राम, देख रहे हो तुम उसे?
तुम्हारे लाड प्यार का नतीजा इसलिए इतना बिगड़ते जा रहा है.
हाँ, मारो इसे. खाना नहीं मिलेगा तब इसको समझ में आएगा.
अरे आप लोग ऐसे मार नहीं सकते उसको. He can file a case against you.
अपने बाप के ऊपर केस करेगा? यही दिन देखना बाकी रह गया था. आज तो तुझे नहीं छोड़ूंगा.
रुकिए, प्लीज आप बैठ जाइए. He is a nice student, बस थोड़ा सा चंचल है.
हे भगवान, यही दिन देखना रह गया था कि अभी चंचल भी हो गया है.
चंचल बनेगा, कतई चंचलानी बन जा.
सर प्लीज बैठ जाइए. प्लीज मैम, प्लीज.
तुम्हें पता है ना, मुझे तुम्हें मारना अच्छा नहीं लगता है.
मैम प्लीज हैव अ सीट. सर प्लीज.
आज तू घर चल, मार मार के मोर बना दूंगा.
आप लोग प्लीज शांत हो जाइए. यू कैन नॉट बीट हिम लाइक दिस.
अच्छा मैम, वो सब छोड़िए, आप इसके मार्क्स के बारे में बताइए.
देखिए, मैं सारे सब्जेक्ट्स का तो नहीं बोल सकती, बट ही इज अ नाइस स्टूडेंट. ही स्कोर्ड 95 इन पेंटिंग.
5 नंबर का है. 5
5 नंबर का है, मैं तुझे नहीं छोड़ूंगा, आज तेरा खून पी जाऊंगा। 5 नंबर का है।
अरे मेरी छड़ी।
Hello. Scene 2. Present time. Same classroom, same setup. Parents enter holding a phone and a handbag.
Scene 3. Work-life balance. This scene emphasizes on how a young newly married teacher tries to make a balance between her personal and professional life. Her struggles to provide both financially and emotionally for the family, along with the confusion and turmoil.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Please have a seat. So, what's the progress of a child? Your daughter does not pay attention in the class. Every day she keeps talking. Even her notebook is half empty.
अरे मैम, थोड़ी बातचीत भी ज़रूरी है. It keeps the class entertaining.
Entertainment का time अलग होता है. This is a classroom, not your comedy show.
Excuse me, madam. Our child is very intelligent. घर पे तो Google और Alexa से भी तेज आंसर करती है. If she is not focusing here, then maybe there's some problem in your teaching.
अरे बैठो बैठो, ये स्कूल है।
Well, what's the percentage?
Only 65%.
Only? That's a great achievement बेटा। हमारे खानदान में आज तक इतना किसी ने नहीं स्कोर किया होगा।
But if she doesn't improve, this will affect her future.
फ्यूचर की टेंशन आप मत लीजिए, हमें लेने दीजिए। आप बस अपनी टीचिंग को इम्प्रूव कीजिए एंड प्लीज डोंट रेज योर वॉइस।
Exactly that. टीचर को ही ट्रेनिंग की ज़रूरत है. मैं तो ऑलरेडी स्मार्ट हूँ.
आई नो बेटा।
वाह, ज़माना बदल गया है. Earlier, parents and teachers stood together to correct the children. और आजकल parents and children stand together to correct the teacher. हम पे ही दोष.
Times have changed. Once, parents stood by teachers, believing discipline and guidance would shape a child's future. Today, too often, teachers are doubted, blamed, and even insulted, while children learn arrogance instead of respect. But let us remember, a teacher is not an enemy, but a mentor. Trust, respect, and cooperation between parents, teachers, and students are the true foundation of education. For when respect for teachers die, the light of learning dims. Let us not turn discipline into dispute. Let's turn discipline into development.
Skit 3. Life beyond classroom. This scene emphasizes on how a young newly married teacher tries to make a balance between her personal and professional life. Her struggles to provide both financially and emotionally for the family, along with the confusion and turmoil they go through. Scene 1.
आयशा, मेरी चाय कहाँ है?
हाँ, मैं बस अभी लेके आती हूँ.
Phone rings. A student calls the teacher for asking a doubt. She gets busy with the phone and forgets about the tea.
अरे यार, ये कहाँ रह गई?
He sees Priyanka talking on the phone and goes to make tea by himself. Scene 2.
Good morning, students. Please take your seats. Isn't today the last day of submission of your science projects? So please come and submit them to me.
The bell rings. Staff room. in staff room. Aisha was correcting copies, meanwhile her colleagues enter.
Aisha ma'am, did you hear about the upcoming inter-house singing competition? No.
Ma'am, I make you the overall coordinator of this program.
अरे इतना टेंशन मत लीजिए मैम, we'll get through this together.
Priyanka gets stressed. Evening living room. Aisha enters, exhausted. Rohan is waiting with dinner served.
You're late again.
I'm so sorry. An urgent meeting dropped in and had to make an important call to a parent about Arjun.
I think sometimes I'm competing with your students.
No, you aren't competing. They are children and they need my guidance. It's all my fault that I haven't been able to split myself between the two different worlds.
Don't split yourself, Aisha. Just bring the both worlds together. Don't carry it alone.
Aisha smiles and realizes life's true harmony is not choosing between love and duty, but in learning how they can complete each other. It's all about balance between the two colliding worlds. A good teacher balances two classrooms, one filled with students and one called home, teaching love in both. A balance in personal and professional life allows a teacher to give her best to both worlds, educating with compassion and loving with wisdom. Thank you. Red.
A tea.
Students, I'm so disappointed right now. None of you have scored good in your exams. This was not what I expected. I have repeatedly told you for extra classes, but you all just don't want to work the extra miles. I don't know what I'll do with you all. I'm returning your papers. Look into it.
अरे यार मैंने तो सिर्फ 4 मार्क्स का अटेम्प्ट किया था पूरे 20 में। मेरे तो 4 मार्क्स से ज़्यादा आ नहीं रहा, मैं तो पूरा फेल हूँ।
भाई तुम्हारा पेपर कैसा गया था? मेरा पेपर तो बहुत ही खराब गया था भाई।
भाई मेरा भी बहुत खराब गया था।
अस ब्रो अस, कोई बात नहीं, दोनों साथ मिलके मार खाएंगे।
Ma'am, please give us extra time. I'm ready to work hard.
Yes, ma'am. I will join your classes. Please give us extra classes.
Okay, so if you're ready to work hard, I'll give you extra classes after finishing hours. Wait after your school days for half an hour, clear your doubts, then go home. Class is dismissed.
The teacher gives Aryan and Prisha extra classes every day, strengthening their bond. Scene 2. The scene shifts in the corridor.
You look tensed, ma'am. Is everything okay?
I'm fine. I'm just a little stressed about things, but it will fine.
Ma'am, aren't you tired? You always stay late after school.
Well, I am tired, but my family supports me and I will do anything for my students. You all children are like my world.
Ma'am, is everything okay with your health?
Just overworked, but I have a little health issues, but it will be fine. I'll manage. I'll go to the doctors. Ma'am, you always prioritize us. How do you manage between school and home? It's a juggling act, but for my students, I'll do anything. Anyway, work hard on your studies. We'll meet again. Thank you, ma'am.
Scene 3. Miss Rachna is grading papers in classroom with one of her colleagues.
Sometimes I don't understand what the students write. मैम पढ़िए इस बच्चे ने क्या लिखा है?
I don't know as well, but I'll try to guess. Accessibility is equal to liability bracket students? Huh? What they write, man?
मैम कभी कभी हंसी आ जाती है इनके आंसर्स पढ़ के, बट अब क्या करें, चेक तो करना पड़ेगा. चलिए. Well, I am tired today, but what can I do? Just a few more papers left. After that, I'll give it to them. They have performed better this time. Good morning, class. Some of you have performed good this time, and some of you bad as usual. But I see the extra classes have helped you. So I'll be returning your grade papers today, and I'll be right back.
अरे यार मेरा तो बहुत खराब गया, इस बार फिर मैं 4 मार्क्स अटेम्प्ट करके आया.
भाई तुम्हारा पेपर फिर खराब गया क्या?
खराब नहीं भाई, फेल हूँ मैं इस बार.
भाई मेरा भी बहुत खराब गया था. भाई बैठो. भाई तुम्हारा पेपर कैसा गया था?
Students,
मस्त.
please behave. So yes, here are your papers.
ये तो पता ही था. तुम्हें कितने मिले?
नहीं भाई बहुत कम आए. नहीं
अरे दिखाओ तो.
नहीं.
अरे दिखाओ. हे हरिराम कृष्ण जगन्नाथम प्रेमानंदी, 97 मार्क्स. मैं तो तुझे सिंह समझता था आदि, तू तो आस्तीन का सांप निकला.
तू तो हमारा प्रकाश था, तू अंधकार कैसे फैला रहा है? बाहर मिल तू, मैं आ जाऊँ अपनी.
It's enough, please sit down. So you have done good, I see.
Ma'am, you have really worked hard. You have managed home and school beautifully.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you a lot. Thank you a lot for your sacrifices, because of which I and Aryan were able to score well. Thank you for your extra classes.
These sacrifices are nothing. For my students, I'll work hard. When I see them succeed, my ill health and my overwork just goes away. I'll do anything for them. They're like my motivation. Work harder for your future. Let the bygones be bygones, and you'll improve.
A teacher is often called a second parent, a guide, and a mentor. But more than that, a true teacher is a silent sculptor shaping lives, building futures, and sacrificing personal comfort for the sake of their students. A teacher's sacrifice often goes unseen: late nights, health challenges, and endless dedication. Teachers are the silent strength of every classroom. They carry their own struggles, yet they show up every day with a smile, ready to guide and inspire.
Skit 5. Whispers of the Corridor. Mrs. Sharma helps Ravi with extra worksheets. She stays after the class to explain concepts. Ravi is grateful.
Thank you, ma'am.
Without your help, I would have failed again.
Never think like that, Ravi. Talent shines when it's polished. You just need more practice.
Rita and Ankush peek through the door. Scene 2, corridor.
Have you noticed Ravi always gets good marks? Ever wondered why?
It's just nothing. Teacher checks his paper with some extra love. Manipulation of marks, that's all. अब ये आरे गहरे भी हमसे ज़्यादा marks ले आ रहे हैं. What do you even expect?
Not just marks, हमेशा हर competition में Ravi and Ravi. The rest of us don't even stand a chance. अरे मौका होगा देंगे तब बोलेंगे कि.
And I've also heard that ma'am has some personal relation with Ravi. That's why he gets all the favors. अरे यहाँ तक कि मैम उसे स्कूल भी ड्रॉप करती है.
It is not a talent, it's connection.
अरे प्रखर, हमारी टीचर, ये रवि तो कितना टीचर करता है यार हमेशा.
वही तो, हमेशा टीचर के पीछे पड़ा रहता है यार.
और हमारी टीचर भी केवल उसको ही हमेशा इम्पोर्टेंस देती है.
करे भी तो क्या करे.
The gossip overlaps, creating a whisper storm. This information soon reaches the principal. Scene 3, principal's office. अरे जाओ, just be up.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, come in. Complaints have reached me that you show unfair support to only one student, Mrs. Sharma. Is there truth in this?
Ravi struggles with resources, not ability. I guide him because he needs it. As for marks, every grade he earns is his own hard work. His family struggles to support him, so I do as a mentor. I help him so that poverty doesn't kill his potential.
Sir, ma'am never gave up on me. She gave me confidence. She taught me how to take opportunities. And these rumors, they break me worse than my own situation.
Words hit deeply.
Remember, respect your teacher, for without them you would not even know right or wrong. Let not whisper destroy wisdom.
See what gossip does. Teachers' kindness becomes favoritism, effort, manipulation, and support, suspicion.
A teacher is not just an instructor, but one who lifts. When kindness is twisted into rumor, it is not the teacher who loses, it is the student who forgets the value of truth. Respect must be in the trust, not in tales. I repeat, respect must be in the trust, not in tales.
Scene 6. Respect forgotten, kindness unchanged. This scene emphasizes on how the students stop wishing and regarding teachers with respect as they grow older. It highlights how we as students change over time and forget the core values instilled by the same teachers who helped us when we were young, guided us when we were aimless, and supported us in the times of peril. Let us remember, children can change, but teachers and their kindness does not. बैठो जल्दी.
So kids, A for? So,
Good morning, students. So, yesterday we were studying about trigonometric identities. So, let's recall it once. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to?
मैम ये फॉर्मूले हमें याद ही नहीं होते हैं.
The teacher crosses them, puts forward a smile, but the students do not wish her back and leave while talking amongst each other.
Hey, why did you wish her? Wasn't she your class teacher of standard prep?
Yes, she was, but I don't like her anymore. She is so arrogant. और वैसे भी हमारी present teacher बहुत अच्छी है. She is very kind and always jokes around. I don't think our old teachers can help us anymore.
You're right.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
The students laugh among themselves, barely noticing her. The teacher sits quietly on the bench. A former student, Rohan, grown up and successful, enters. He notices the teacher and greets her.
Good morning, ma'am. Do you remember me? I was in your class 10 years ago.
Oh, the same student who could not solve a single problem without tears in his eyes. And look at you now, grown up.
Ma'am, whatever I am today is because of the patience you have shown to me. Why aren't these children greeting you?
Sir, अब हम बड़े हो गए हैं. Good morning बोलना बचपना लगता है. You know, greetings are for small kids, you know.
Time changes. Earlier, when they were small, their respect was pure and innocent. But now, as they have grown up, their respect comes late as their homework. The world teaches them to be kind, ambitious, competition, ego. But it forgets to teach them gratitude. Teachers remain the same, but children, they change.
Growing doesn't mean forgetting who gave us wings. A flower never forgets its roots.
But sir, sometimes roots are way too strict, and that's why flowers drop.
Do you see this teacher here? She is the reason why hundreds of us still stand tall. Don't take silence for respect, age for arrogance. She is the reason why we are here today. So it is important to bow down before such teachers, even when we stand tall.
Yes, we all are wrong. Teachers are like Wi-Fi. The closer we go, stronger the connection. But if we do mischief, they disconnect us.
We're sorry, teacher.
Sorry.
It's not about the words, it's the feeling of respect that I feel today as I'm standing here as a teacher.
Children may change with time, but a teacher's love never does. Respect is not about words spoken. It is about remembering the hands that lifted you when you were about to fall.
That was so moving. Truly, teachers don't teach lessons, they teach life.
Teachers are like candles. They consume themselves to light the way for others.
You know, Yuvraj, when I was in 6th standard, I was so nervous speaking in front of the entire class. But my middle school teachers encouraged me. That little push made a lot of difference. Middle school teachers are there when we are figuring ourselves out, when we are a little confused, a little curious, and sometimes a little too energetic.
So it's time to thank them, not just with words, but with poetry straight from our heart and a small token of love and gratitude.
Sister Karuna, Vice Principal of the Middle School Section, kind and simple, an excellent educator with affection, enthusiastic mentor guiding every direction. In the halls of wisdom, bright and deep, shines Sir Akashdeep, maths and cricket in his keep, gentle and professional, guiding with care, helping his students grow and prepare. प्राज्ञ सर, संस्कृत और हिंदी में ज्ञान फैलाते, छात्रों से प्रेम रुचि जगाते, हिंदी में दिलचस्पी जो हर दिल भरते. Komal teacher, English expert, calm and bright, simple and helpful, guiding with light, delightful mentor, nurturing each mind. संग हिंदी के वर्ण, बेबी टीचर आप है सब गुण संपन्न. खुशबू टीचर, हिंदी में माहिर, शांत और मृदु, स्नेही सभी के लिए मधु, सादगी और सुंदरता है उनकी खूबू. Shivam sir, joined in 2023, student turned guide, an excellent footballer, coach and guide, loves trekking and adventure far and wide, creative and helpful, inspiring each stride. अंशु टीचर, जो है हंसमुख, खेल जिनको बेहद प्रिय, जो है मददगार, रखती सबका देखभाल. मेघना टीचर, joined 2023, student turned guide, singing, dancing, lively and bright, motivates her students with joy and pride. Sister Nirmala, joined 2023, loves school environment, trains and motivates students with heart, guiding them towards great achievements. Pooja teacher, हिंदी जिनकी बेहद सरल, स्वर बड़े मधुर, लक्ष्य इनकी है निश्चित, छात्रों को हरदम ये करती प्रेरित. अंकिता टीचर, dancing and drawing free, cheerful extrovert, spreading joy and glee, kind and lively, inspiring all round, bringing happiness into every ground. Ruchi teacher, maths expert, friendly and true, professional and helpful, guiding all they do, patient and inspiring, bright as the day, helping her students in every way. Arpita teacher, calm and sociable with care, dream of doctor or executive, always fair, friendly, motivating, encouraging each dream, guiding students to reach their scheme. Neeli teacher, science expert, motherly and kind, helpful and caring, no child behind, guides with knowledge, compassion and grace, uplifting students in every space. Neena teacher, strict yet gentle and fair, helpful and kind, always aware, guides with wisdom, nurturing each soul, a steadfast mentor with a guiding role. Prasun teacher, English expert, cheerful and bright, kind and guiding, making learning light, friendly and patient, inspiring each mind, helping student with knowledge aligned. Pratima teacher, English loves singing and dance, friendly and lively, inspiring at every chance, encouraging students, nurturing their art, bringing joy and learning straight from the heart. Vikas sir, computer expert, dreams to fly, friendly and bright, reaching the sky, knowledgeable mentor, ever so true, guiding students in all they pursue. Vivek sir, maths lover, dreamt engineer, friendly and joyful, always sincere, mentor steady, wise and true, inspiring all in they do. Neha teacher, dancing, reading, cheerful
beautiful and bright, professional and friendly, helpful and kind, inspiring each soul, her guiding helps students achieve their goal. Amit sir, maths and computer his domain, kind and helpful, his guidance never in vain. Professional mentor, steady and bright, he lights the way with knowledge and insights. If by chance we have missed any teacher, I apologize for it. Please come upon the stage as you all also deserve a token of love. Sister Nirmala, Sister Nirmala, Sister Anjana, Portia teacher, thank you so much. Well, those beautiful lines truly captured a sense of warmth and love for our teachers.
And the excitement doesn't end up here. To keep the energy alive and the program rolling, let's call upon Siddharth and Mehnaz to take us ahead to the next exciting part of this show.
Thank you, Siddhi and Yuvraj, for setting such a beautiful tone for today. Now, dear teachers, we have always spent years sweating over your scary Viva questions and assignments.
So I believe it's time for another sweet little revenge, our second fun game.
Fasten your seat belts, teachers. It's time for your turn to show us your competitive side. I now invite Aruni and Priyam to host the game.
Good morning to one and all present here.
And a very happy Teachers' Day to all my lovely teachers. Now, yet again, we come to the most exciting part of the program, that is round 2 of the games, Look Through the Clouds.
I'm sure you might have heard, guess the song by emoji, guess the song by lyrics. But this time, it's quite different. It's interesting.
This will test you how well you know your colleagues. Well, teachers, it's time for you to give a test now. So let's get acquainted with the rules of the program.
Rule 1.
For every question, each teacher will get, the teacher who raises their hand first will get a chance to answer the question. And if the answer is incorrect, the question will be passed on to the other teacher.
And if the answer is again incorrect, it will be passed on to the students.
But if the decorum of the auditorium is not maintained, we'll have to skip this part. So we please request you to be in discipline.
And don't prompt the answers. So let's begin round 1.
Have to guess the teacher with the... Yes, Swati ma'am, please, you can answer. That's the correct answer.
It's Afro's teacher.
Can we have a round of applause, please?
Round 2.
Oh, just the lips. Yes, Anita ma'am, you may answer the question.
I'm Rita ma'am.
That's the correct answer, sir and ma'am both. Thank you so much.
Round 3.
Oh, just the... That's the wrong answer, ma'am. Yes, you may answer the question, teacher. That's the wrong answer, I'm sorry.
Now,
Devibrat sir.
No, sir, that's the wrong answer.
Vikas sir.
No, that's so. Yes, that's the correct answer, ma'am. Can we have a round of applause for Aradhana, ma'am, please?
Moving on to round 4.
Just the forehead.
Lovely, ma'am.
That's the correct answer, sir. That's the correct answer.
Moving on to round 5.
Ziauddin, sir. That's the
Ziauddin, sir.
correct answer, ma'am.
Moving on to round 6.
That's the correct answer, ma'am. That's Meghna, teacher.
The remaining rounds are quite hard. So now moving on to round 7.
That's the correct answer, Rizwana, ma'am. That's the correct answer. It's Pratima, teacher.
Moving on to round 8.
Just the ear again. Yes, Pratima, please.
Rajit, sir.
That's the correct answer, ma'am. It's Rajat, sir.
How many chocolates will you take?
Moving on to the next round.
Rasmi teacher.
That's the correct answer, sir. It's Rashmi, ma'am.
Next round, please. This one is quite difficult.
We request you to not prompt the answers, please, students.
It's Asif, sir.
No, that's the wrong answer, ma'am. I'm so sorry.
Akashdeep, sir.
No, that's the wrong answer, sister. I'm so sorry. That's the wrong answer.
Shivam, sir.
That's the
the
correct
right
answer, teacher. Thank you so much for joining us in this game session. I hope it left memories that would you cherish forever.
Hope you all enjoyed very much.
Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
That was such a fun round. Thank you to all our teachers for participating. Look at those smiles. That's the real reward for us students.
You have given us countless lessons. Today, we give you countless thank yous.
Now, teachers are the music of life. The notes of wisdom they leave in our hearts never fade away. And so, what better way than to celebrate with a melody?
Coming up next is a special song dedicated to all our beloved teachers. So sit back, enjoy, and let the music speak the words our hearts sometimes can't.
So let's welcome the performers with a big round of applause.
dedicated to our beloved teachers. Happy Teachers Day!
That was wonderful. Music truly does what words sometimes cannot.
Unless, of course, those words come wrapped in nostalgia.
यादें वक्त के साथ धुंधली ज़रूर हो जाती है, मगर गुरुओं के साथ बनी यादें हमेशा दिल में रोशन रह जाती हैं.
So, to revive those memories, here comes Vishal with his nostalgic speech.
Good morning. Good morning, respected principal, vice principals, esteemed teachers, and my dear fellow friends. Today, on this very auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day, I have got a profound privilege to share a few words for you teachers. This day is not just about honoring teacher, it is also about revisiting the memories that make our student life meaningful. The memories that we will cherish forever. Deeply, teachers have not only made us what achieving in our life, but we are the one they will always remember forever. On this very special day, I offer my deepest gratitude to all my teachers for the knowledge, the values, the care. Thank you, teachers, for shaping our past, guiding our present, and nurturing our future and inspiring throughout our life. Thank you, teachers, and a very happy Teachers' Day.
Beautifully spoken. Thank you, Vishal, for taking us down that lane of gratitude. Now, poetry, as they say, is when feelings find their rhythm. And today, our feelings for our teachers find their voice through these verses.
As the poetry flows, we'll also take this opportunity to present a small token of love to our teachers, a gesture that says, "You have given us everything, and though we can never repay, we will always remember." Every gift may be small, but the love behind it is immeasurable.
So let's welcome Ayanshi Vindhya to come forward and present her poetry, dedicated to the guiding lights of our lives.
I sat for a while, thinking exactly what I have to write. My hands drenched with their thoughts, feelings that were never told but lost. Passions held with a hope within a box. We come here, see them, but never really thought. Is it what they want? Sit back for a while and listen to their lives. Unaware, every day we meet a sports person who has got numbers of medals hanging in her home. Someone whose life revolves around the roads, traveling, finding new routes. I'm here to talk about them, who take time out of their lives and guide us, whose life revolves around us.
who never differentiate between us. We present to you some token of love. With +2 section, the first thought which comes in my mind is Vice Principal's office and students standing outside, and biology class with all those lymphocytes and monocytes filled with Debrad sir's fright. Well, it took me a while to write about our school's pride. The one whose roar can shut us all. The one because of whom now we run more and more. Sit-ups are something we master the most, and escaping Nagsar's Uttabati we cannot afford. Nagsar, we love you the most. Now, the one who loves to travel, but not alone, who takes Section D to every climatic zone. Due to her, while exploring maps, we never get bored. Nina teacher, thank you the most. Repo, reserve, and bank rates. Quiz, assembly, or life's race. She guides us through every stage. She is economics, and economics is her. Yes, this is Amrita teacher. Whose childhood was Xavier's, but that of Bokaro. This is Soma teacher and her smile through our sorrows. Lovely as her name, history, civics, geography, and economics, for her is simply a game. Lovely teacher, you are the best. From Cold War to India's constitution, together with triangles construction, Amit sir, you never failed to leave your reflection. Activist with heart, protagonist of his own part, who keeps a diary wherever he goes. Watching movies is something he loves the most. Past is what he masters. Zia sir, we love your laughter. Reading book she enjoys the most. Being a teacher was her only goal. Afroz teacher, you are our stepping stone. Who loved Rafi's song, Kishore Das in his heart, for whom teaching electricity is like an apple tart. Amar sir, we respect your brave heart. Just like sodium mixed with air, whose experience cannot be compared. Indrani teacher, we are glad to have you here. हिंदी वाली कक्षा में आते सिया टीचर के बाद भावनाएं प्रकट करते हैं इनकी हर एक बात। राधे श्याम सर, धन्यवाद। कविता जिनकी जीवन का किस्सा, सन 1994 से है स्कूल का हिस्सा। हिंदी जिनकी एकदम सटीक, सिया टीचर आप है उम्मीदों की तारीख। Newton's friend who drives a bullet, whose part-time job is to play cricket. Kunal sir, you are the best. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron. These are chemicals and his home. Manoj sir, your teaching will never make us bored. S in his name, which starts for smart. RAM and ROM is where our boards start. He guides us through every part. Thank you so much, Sameer sir. Soft heart, but strong words. Her quality makes her an ambivert. Kinetic energy into breath, only she's the one who can convert. Thank you, Sushmita teacher. Account is what she teaches us. Her words so kind always reaches our mind. Shivli teacher, thanks for helping us in our hectic times. Whose life is Xavier's, spent 18 years in it. He is an explicit who teaches English. Chandrasekhar sir, you speak like a journalist and thank you for your blessings. Maths is his life, who plays with numbers, who guides every student through circular lesson. Prabhakar sir, thank you for your contribution. A fashion designer is what her heart calls her. Dance step is what she masters. Manju teacher, you are creating geographers. Monitor, mouse and CPU. Rizwana teacher, for her kindness, we thank you. जो रखती हमारा ध्यान, पूछती हमारा ख्याल, एंड ज्योति टीचर हमें बनाती होशियार. Brito House is a zone, but loving every student through her motherly tone. Neetu teacher, you make our life just like a poem. Who shares a story, but that of numbers. Maths is where he never fumbles. Amar Martha sir, we cannot compare your contribution in general. A compassionate soul, always bold. We take his name again and again. Asif sir, your contribution to our lives cannot be explained. Now, high school's soul. English is his code, who guides us with insight, makes our future bright. Seed bank is something we don't know, but he has it with hundreds of seeds sowed. Father Ranjit, you give us hope. Now comes the head, the key of institution, who teach us maths together with rules and regulations. After every holiday, he comes with hope, guide us through our life's flow. Discipline, discipline, he repeats the most. Maths expert, but memory so strong. Class 7th Hindi poem, he remembers till now. This is our father, Rosna Khalko. If any teacher was left to be named, we are very sorry. But even though we didn't mention you, it doesn't mean you don't matter. We love you. The end of the poem for teachers confused me. End of the lines for those who showed me my faults, showed me the truth, told me when I was being rude. Okay. Help me through every road. Your contribution can't be measured. Well, for us, your presence is a treasure. We are sorry for the mistakes we made. Thanks for guiding us through every stage. And special thanks to Nidhi teacher. I'm very sorry that we forgot to mention your name, but you have also played a very important role in my life. Thank you so much, Nidhi Suman teacher.
us through every stage. Thank you so much, teacher, for the influence which you unknowingly create. And thank you, Suryakant sir. I'm very sorry that I missed out your name. Thank you so much, teacher, for the influence which you unknowingly create. Or. English teacher, beautiful. Maths teacher, super cool. Cake ho ya cookie, sare teachers spooky.
चंदा पक्का सा रास्ता बनाना जो है दिल एक दिन का ये किस्सा नहीं बंदिल बाहों को है खुलना सिखाना जो है दिल एक दिन का ये किस्सा नहीं
From all our inquiries to all the complicated finance, to all the parents' tantrums, you handle it all. Our beloved office staff members, Anu ma'am's smile is a gentle light. She turns each lesson into something bright, guiding our hearts to the path of right.
खुद के होने की पहेली सुलझानी
Vijay sir is full of courage and fight to rise each time, to aim for the height. His words of wisdom are our guiding light. Sarita ma'am's kindness make us strong. With her care, we have learned from the wrong. Her lesson remains with us lifelong. Rosanna ma'am patience is rare. She teaches with lessons with utmost care. Her guidance stays with us everywhere. Roshan sir brings hope so true. In every storm, he sees us through. His strength inspires all me do. Sanjeev sir's knowledge is deep as the sea. He opens our mind to what we can be. His guidance is a treasure for you and me. Sunny sir showed disciplined ways, hard work and phrases each passing days. His lesson shapes our brighter day. Sachin sir's teaching sparks the flame to strive, to grow, to play, to live and enjoy all the games. With him, success is never the same. By chance, if I have missed any sir or teacher's name, you can come. Ganori sir. And our library teachers, Anu ma'am and Isha ma'am.
जज्बातों की बातों में आना जज्बाती नजरों को दिखता धुंधला आंसू मोती खर्चो ना खामियां खास समझो ना इतनी सारी बड़ा होना पुरानी तेरी
Happy Teachers' Day to all our beloved teachers. Thank you.
चंदा तक पक्का सा रास्ता बनाना जो है दिल एक दिन का ये किस्सा नहीं बंदिल बाहों को है खुलना
Small tokens, simple words, but endless gratitude. Now we invite Prashansha and Krishang to present a small token of appreciation from the prefects to the principal and the teachers. We request Father and the teachers' representatives to come up on the stage.
खुद के होने की पहेली सुलझाने जो है दिल एक दिन का ये किस्सा नहीं कदमों में जमा जो थका चैन की नींद आती वहाँ कदमों में जमा जो थका चैन की नींद आती वहाँ इतनी
गुरु की दया से है ये जीवन रोशन, उनकी बातों से मिलता है मंजिल का ज्ञान। अब कुछ शब्द उन्हीं की ज़ुबान से सुनते हैं जो हमेशा बने हमारे जीवन का निशान।
As we close, let me share this thought. Teachers don't just prepare us for exams, they prepare us for life.
Teachers' Day may come once every year, but the love and respect we hold for you is eternal. Wishing you all a very happy Teachers' Day.
It's time to hear the voice of our teachers. We now invite Mrs. Afroz Jahan ma'am, representing all the teachers, to share a few words with us.
Respected Father Principal, Vice Principals, teachers, and our dear children. It is indeed an honor, an absolute honor for all of us, all your teachers, to be present here as a witness to such a beautifully prepared program. So I would request everyone to please give a round of applause for the wonderful effort put in by all our students. A little louder, please. You deserve to clap for yourself. Yes, it is a special day for all of us, all your teachers here. And besides thanking you for your love, your affection, and your gratitude towards us, we would also like to thank you for giving us the opportunity to be who we are, because without you, dear students, we wouldn't have been here. If we have had the chance to guide you, to help in any way, be it inside the classroom or outside it, it's because the Almighty blessed us with this opportunity. It is something for which I'm sure all of us are filled with gratitude to the Almighty. There are challenges for you and for us. For you as students and for us as teachers. As teachers, we try our best to help you out whenever we come across such an opportunity. There might be times when you may not find us as patient as you had expected us to be. Please do understand, we are giving our best. It has never been our intentions ever to hurt any one of you ever, even in the least way possible. So, it is an opportunity from this platform for me to speak on behalf of all of us that we do give our best, and if you find us falling short at times, we are open always to hear you. Please do come up. This day is not just for teachers. It's just a day for all the people who make a difference in your life. So many people out there, starting right from your own homes, may touch your lives in different ways, making you a better version of yourself. Sometimes within a short span of time, and sometimes it may take a little more. Years down the line, you may reflect on the ways in which different people have left an imprint on your lives. All of them who have managed to guide you are your teachers, whether they teach you in the classroom or not. As a message, we would like you to take home this fact that people who touch you, they deserve your honor, your gratitude. Starting, as I said, from your parents to every other person who has managed to steer you the right way. All of them deserve the gratitude that you have showered on all of us today. Be mindful, please, because respect is, and gratitude is what exemplifies you as Xaverian students. Let that be your identity. The way you honor the people you come across, the way you communicate, the way you conduct. And we would be happiest to find students who have been groomed at this institution, presenting themselves outside in the world in the most dignified manner. No gift could surpass this gift for all the teachers sitting here in your midst today. I would like to come to an end of my message with the word that make a promise to yourself that you will do your best and make sure that you keep becoming a better person with each passing day. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, our Afroz teacher, for your encouraging words.
And now we invite the guiding light of our school, Father Roshna Khalko SJ, to bestow upon us his benevolent words.
गुड मॉर्निंग बोलना बचपना लगता है. I don't know what that exactly means. If you are in that category, it's good to change into respect side. Maybe it was in the form of skit, but it looks like, especially not the middle section, not the junior section, but definitely high school and +2. Reflect over that. All respected teachers and dear students, firstly, happy Teachers' Day to each one of you. Again, coming back, I had given you a time till 11:30. I myself, as you said that, a man of punctuality, man of words also. It's not mere I say and do. I will give up myself, I will give up my speech, doesn't matter, but I don't want to stop you here because already hardly 7 minutes are left. I have prepared a long message to give to you, but looks like the Almighty is not probably giving time, opportunity to present you. And surely I don't want to again give an opportunity to the parents that they blame me. What you say, you don't obey. Therefore, 3 speakers were there, middle school, vice principal, even Devra sir and myself. Even myself I will give up. And only message that lot of messages are given. In the message, the skits, you might have seen that. They have the prefects. Prefects, they need appreciation because hardly one day I gave them and they prepared. No fuss, nothing. I said no more dance now. I am not interested in so much dance. Enough dance you have seen. I want simple skits where you are honoring the teachers, not doing the mimicry. And they obeyed, they prepared overnight, wrote the script, everything, and they did. I had no interference on that. Still they did very well. Coordination was lacking. Otherwise, you can say the contents, what they wanted to give you the message, they have given. Probably you paid attention or not, I'm not sure. But you recall back and see. Beautiful certain messages were given to you through those skits. 6 themes were given. So, on behalf of our entire school, first let us appreciate for their hard work, whoever in that skit, students as well as the prefects. Let's give them a round of applause. Technical team is there. They also help some of the other way, but not best way, I'll say. But still, we should give the appreciation for them also. Give them a round of applause. Definitely, after saying in the assembly, you came for this celebration, not out of grudge or something. You came happily, hope so, because I had made you understand Teachers' Day is also important. Others, we have to balance life according to the time. So you have done that. So all present here, let's give a round of applause to each other. So with that, but I will close it. Thank you once again for everyone who came, cheered, and especially maintain the decorum of the auditorium. And today, I don't want to say any negative about the students. I had to, but next time I will present it, whatever I have my observation. But for this day, I think teachers should say only good things. So thank you so much and have a good day. Going at home also, recall and see something to be taken from the stage or from your teachers. Plenty of things are given. Thank you. Thank you so much.